Francis, I was only using you to heal. I broke up with my ex and you came into the picture. You are broke. You can't afford me anything.
I check her phone and I saw a number she saved, my dad's mechanic.
If I say I need 500k, can you give me? Chief can give me.
Hi guys, it's your girl official Maryjane 8 on Instagram. I'm Maryjane TV on Facebook and I have with me here
Mr. Francis.
Okay, so Mr. Francis contacted me and told me about his babe. This one I love Matao. Don't tell I handle this kind of case. So Mr. Francis, tell them what you told me.
Okay, there's this girl I've been dating for over 2 years now, and I just discovered that she's just wearing expensive things. She's giving me attitude, and the funniest thing is that her friends are saying that she's cheating on me. And I happened that I check her phone and I saw a number she saved, my dad's mechanic. I managed to call that number. It was a man that picked that call that night. And I don't know. I just want you to help me prank her to know if she's really cheating or not. Because I really love this girl. I really love her, to be sincere.
Okay, those are friends wey shall tell you say, say some friends na bad friends. Those are friends wey tell you say she's cheating. Are you sure they don't need anything from you, or maybe are you sure the person does not like you?
No.
Are you telling me the truth, Francis?
I'm telling you the truth.
Because I'm just imagining someone coming to you to tell you your baby is cheating. You don't have any business with the person. But it's fine though. Guys, you guys should stay tuned. The girl is coming here. First, she will meet us at this spot now. I'll blindfold her and bring her in here. I can lie with anything that have a gift, anything at all. You guys should stay tuned. Much love. We have our pretty lady here. What's the name?
My name is Precious.
Okay, Precious. Okay, pretty Precious. Now buku she get yash. Precious, make a U-turn for the camera. Okay. No, I'm here with you. You can't fall. No way. No, you are beautiful. Guy, only you they shop this thing. Okay, Precious. Your boyfriend contacted our company. What we do is to surprise people on their special occasion. But then this person said it's not your birthday. He just wants to surprise you. So when he contacted me, my workers were not available. Okay. So I had to do it on my own. He said he wanted it done this evening. So Precious, you have a small task to do. All I want you is to mention the name of your boyfriend, and that's all. Before we blindfold you and you see what we came here with.
Chief Cletus.
Chief Cletus. Oh wow, are you sure?
Yes.
Wow, are you very sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure. Chief Cletus.
Chief Cletus?
Yes.
You don't have any other special person in your life?
No.
Just Chief Cletus?
Yes.
You are sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Wow. Okay, let me blindfold you. So you see our Chief Cletus. Yeah. Chief loves you. Like he literally got you this. Okay, so.
No, why are you running? It's me that Chief Cletus.
So Francis is you.
Wait, it's me that Chief Cletus. You don't know my name today again. It's me that is Chief Cletus.
You pranked me, Francis.
Jesus, I don't suffer.
Francis, you pranked me.
Wait. So all the things your friends have been saying is actually true. That you've been cheating. You've been cheating.
It's true. You think I don't know about you and Cynthia?
Me and Cynthia?
Yes,
I told you just a one night stand.
One night stand.
Why are you taking it so personal?
One night stand. Oh, you can cheat, then me I cannot cheat, Abi. You can cheat, then me I will not cheat.
After everything I've done
Francis,
for you.
Francis,
after everything I've done for you.
You actually me yet to embarrass me.
Jesus, my life.
You pranked me.
A year and 6 months.
A year and 6 months.
You say, guys.
See this boy, I don't.
Why?
You dey whine me.
Wait, everything I've done for you, you are not asking me. Are they whine you? Why do you choose to cheat?
Can you credit me? If I said I need 500k, can you give me 500k, Francis? If I said I need 500k, can you give me? Chief can give me. Chief is the one taking care of me.
When you have nothing, when you are not looking beautiful like this, where is Chief that time? Where is
Francis,
Chief that time?
It's
now you now know Chief.
See, me and you is nothing serious. Right from
we are nothing
day one,
serious.
I was not taking you serious. Let me tell you, I was not taking you serious. I was only using you to heal. What if you do for me
so
now?
I'm not a paracetamol that you use to heal.
What if you do for me?
Kai.
I don't understand. Carry me call you gonna embarrass me.
Wait. I know if you do anything for you.
I beg. Which kind of rubbish be this one?
Oh yeah, give me that phone.
Francis, calm down.
I'm the one that bought that phone for her.
Give me which phone?
Give me that phone. I'm the one that bought the phone for you.
Call collect them.
I'm the one that bought this phone. You say I can't do anything for you now. Give me the phone. Ma, let her give me the phone.
Wait, Francis, calm down.
Give me the.
This.
You say we are not serious now. Give me the phone. Give me the phone now. Am I not the one that bought it for you?
This phone. You buy me this phone.
You have the mind, the guts to cheat on me.
Francis,
I must collect that phone
today.
today.
I don't even know what I'm even doing.
I must collect that phone today.
This phone for you.
Give me the phone.
Who bought the phone for you?
Chief bought me the phone. I don't know what.
It's Chief that bought the phone for
yes,
you.
It's Chief
Phone that
bought
I bought for you.
It's Chief that bought the phone for me.
With my last salary at August 2022.
So.
You think I did not remember? I must collect this phone today. I must collect this phone. You are not going home with the phone. At least I'll use that one as achievement.
Come collect them.
Wait, I don't. Well, which one should I take now?
Ma.
You said she was cheating on you. Now you are saying you had a one night stand with Cynthia.
Exactly. You never go talk you.
It's a one night stand.
That's guys.
It's a one night stand.
It's a one night stand. Hey, you said now you started all this. You started all this.
So what do I do now? She says Chief bought the phone. You are saying you bought the phone.
Ma, it's not Chief that bought the phone. I was the one that bought the phone for her.
Hey God,
even that bag, even this bag, I was the one that bought it for you. 8.5. 8.5.
Imagine 8.5.
8.5.
8.5. The bag I don't go drag. 8.5. Take the bag. Take it. 8.5.
Oh yeah, the phone. The phone. Give me the phone.
Come collect.
I don't used to be too man.
8.5. Collect your 8.5 now. Collect your 8.5.
Give me the phone.
Rubbish. You are proud of 8.5. 8,500.
Give me the phone now. Go and meet Chief. Go and meet Chief. Give me the phone.
Don't
allow me to lay my hand on you. Give me the phone.
Never lay hand on her. Beg, I did here. Wait till I want to do now. She saying that she buy him. Guys, I don't even know how to do this. Now you are saying you bought the phone. Do you have an evidence?
Ma, exactly, I was the one that bought. I gave her the receipt, everything. I gave you everything.
Babe,
is it lie? I gave you the phone and the receipt. Give me the phone. I collect my bag and some other things I bought for you.
My name day. I can't take you.
Am I not the one that bought the phone for you?
Listen to my name. There I can't take you.
Women.
See this boy.
I must collect the phone though. I must collect it.
Come collect them.
You are even saying.
Give me my bag. Let me get out of here. I beg.
If you near me.
See, you know if you do anything.
If you near me.
Touch me now. Touch me.
It's because of you. I don't used to be too man.
Give me my bag.
Babe, see, I want to tell you something. Say Francis no get money today, no me say no we'll get money tomorrow.
You know if you get tomorrow safe.
I know if you get tomorrow safe.
You know if you get tomorrow.
It's because of you. It's because of you. If not, it's because of you. If not,
Francis, you cheated on her with Cynthia and her friend.
It's just a one night stand.
One night stand? How? Okay,
I was drunk. We went for a party, and something happened, and she was aware. 6 months ago, not even like yesterday.
Now you started everything. I'm drunk. I'm still drunk like this. I'm with Chief Cletus. I'm drunk.
You are drunk.
Yes. When I get myself,
give me my bag, give me the phone, and go and meet Chief Cletus.
I don't understand.
I don't have any problem with you.
Is the one that is taking care of me. Look at me now. Look at me. Oh, it's not that you want to collect phone, you want to collect bag. Because you are seeing I'm enjoying my life.
You are wicked. You are wicked. You allow me to waste my time, waste my feeling, waste my money and everything. Now you now see Chief Cletus. God will judge you.
Amen.
Hey.
God will judge you.
Amen.
God will judge you. I leave you to God. I leave you to God.
Babe, please, I want to tell you something. Was it the one? Tell me the truth. He has gone. Was it the one that bought the phone? Tell me the truth. Was it the one?
It's the one that bought the phone now. He bought the bag and everything. Hey. But he don't fuck up. He cheated on me with my friend. And he's telling me it's one night stand. He thought I don't know. I knew everything and I kept quiet.
I know. But if you know Chief Cletus, you went and saved his number as my dad's mechanic. You wouldn't have gone that far.
It's because I don't even want him to know. If not, I for even save my sugar daddy. Wow. Because I don't want him to know. In fact, I will change it after now.
So you are done with the relationship?
I'm done. Tete. That's why they use the heal.
And I know if you advise person you don't date through relationship, so make it still jam. Wait till go happen since that is your decision and you've decided that you are done. I really don't have anything to say, but then I still want you to later call him on the phone. I want you guys to talk. Do you get? I just want you guys to talk and be friends. Do you understand? I wouldn't want tomorrow you guys to see each other on the road and start having issues because now he's arguing he must take the phone. Anything can happen tomorrow. Do you understand? So that's it. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it.